Hello travel luxury lovers, welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we're embarking on a journey to one of the most breathtaking and opulent destinations in the world. Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico, a radiant jewel in the Caribbean, is a captivating destination that effortlessly weaves a tapestry of natural beauty and vibrant culture. Imagine stretches of sandy beaches, where the turquoise waters gently lap the shores, creating a serene and idyllic atmosphere. The island's landscapes are a testament to nature's artistry, with lush greenery and tropical flora painting a picture of tranquility. As the sun sets, the air becomes infused with the lively spirit of Puerto Rico. Whether strolling through colorful streets or savoring the rich aromas of local cuisine, every moment is an invitation to fall in love with the island's warm embrace. The heartbeat of Puerto Rico lies in its people, who welcome visitors with open arms and infectious smiles, embodying the essence of hospitality. This enchanting destination is a celebration of life, where simplicity intertwines with beauty, leaving an everlasting imprint on the hearts of all who experience its charm. Dare to live every moment in Puerto Rico, where the possibilities are truly endless. Catch some sun on one of the island's 300-plus beaches, kayak on sparkling bioluminescent bays, enjoy a local rum tasting, hike to see waterfalls in a rainforest, or view contemporary art in a museum that is its own architectural masterpiece. Did you know that the Paul brothers, Jake and Logan, have recently made a notable investment in the enchanting island of Puerto Rico? The social media sensations and boxing phenoms have acquired a property on this Caribbean gem, signaling a trend of influencers recognizing Puerto Rico's allure. While specific details about the property and its price remain private, but some sources said that it almost purchased in $17 million, the move has undoubtedly sparked curiosity about the island's real estate potential among their followers. Puerto Rico's rich culture, stunning landscapes, and unique tax incentives continue to attract a diverse array of individuals, making it not just a tropical paradise but also a savvy investment destination. Join us, my travel luxury lovers, as we explore the beauty of Puerto Rico step by step. But first, show some love by hitting the like button and subscribing for more amazing adventures. Our first stop is Puerto Rico's world-famous beaches, and the best part, they're free. From Flamenco Beach to Playa Buye, you can enjoy the sun, sand, and surf without spending a dime. Puerto Rico's natural beauty is accessible to everyone. Now, let's venture into El Yunque National Forest. Admission is around $15 per person, a small price to pay for the wonders of a tropical rainforest. Hike the trails, swim under waterfalls, and immerse yourself in nature's embrace without breaking the banks. Step back in time as we wander through the historic streets of Old San Juan. Entrance fees to forts like El Morro and San Cristobal are approximately $10, giving you access to centuries of history. The vibrant colors and charming architecture are a feast for the eyes. Let's talk food. Puerto Rico's delicious cuisine won't empty your wallet. Try local favorites like mofongo and tostones at food markets, where a hearty meal can cost between $10 to $15. As the sun sets, Puerto Rico lights up with vibrant nightlife. Entrance fees to salsa clubs vary, but you can find many places with reasonable cover charges, often around $10 to $15. Dance the night away and experience the lively energy of Puerto Rican nightlife without breaking the bank. Our next destination is the stunning Culebra Island. While the ferry ride costs around $5, the white sandy beaches and crystal clear waters are absolutely priceless. Flamenco Beach, known for its pristine beauty, is a must-visit for a relaxing day in paradise. For a magical experience, head to Mosquito Bay in Vieques. Witness the mesmerizing bioluminescence as you kayak through the mangroves. Tours are typically around $30, offering a unique and enchanting encounter with nature's light show. Puerto Rico also offers lively coral reefs, where nature paints an underwater masterpiece in vibrant hues. You can explore historic shipwrecks that echo tales of the past. Puerto Rico offers diverse diving experiences. Guided tours to these underwater wonders range from $50 to $100, promising an unforgettable journey into the heart of the Caribbean's marine treasures. So, whether you're swimming alongside gentle manatees in the Mona Passage or witnessing the magical glow of bioluminescence in La Pargueras Bay, Puerto Rico invites you to dive into a world of wonder. Puerto Rico also spoils its visitors with a trio of top-tier accommodations that seamlessly blend sophistication with Caribbean charm. First up, indulge in the lavish comfort of Dorado Beach, a Ritz-Carlton Reserve, where beachfront suites start at around $900 per night. Nestled in lush tropical surroundings, it's a haven of serenity. For those seeking the epitome of elegance, the St. Regis Bahia Beach Resort awaits. With room rates starting at approximately $800 per night, this resort boasts pristine landscapes and luxurious amenities, creating an oasis of refined relaxation on the northeastern coast. Our final stop, Condado Vanderbilt Hotel, an icon of timeless luxury in San Juan. Prices for a night in this historic gem start at around $500, offering a blend of modern sophistication and classic charm. It's a testament to Puerto Rico's commitment to providing unforgettable, high-end experiences. And there you have it, a glimpse into the lap of luxury in Puerto Rico. Whether it's the exclusive retreat at Dorado Beach, the refined elegance of St. Regis Bahia Beach Resort, or the historic grandeur of Condado Vanderbilt Hotel, each promises a stay that transcends the ordinary. That's a wrap on our video on Puerto Rico. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting travel luxury videos. Your support means the world to us. Drop a comment below and let us know what you enjoyed most about Curaçao. Until next, goodbye my travel luxury lovers.